Hi, how are you? I got my camera here, but my big monitor to the right. So I want to answer the question looking like this, like to this side, but I'll be constantly looking at the camera for eye contact. Whenever we see an equation like this with the radicals, that means to the power of 2. We need to get rid of the radicals. So let's do that first. Here we just add to the power of 2, and we need to do the same to the other side, to the power of 2. With the right hand side, super easy. This goes with this, so bye bye blue sky and no more radicals. However, on the left hand side, we need to expand. And for that, I'm going to copy this again. X minus 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 plus 2. And this is equal to, of course, 2x plus 2. Here, now I'm going to change color. We need to go like this. We need to multiply this one with this one, this one with this one, this one with this one, and this one with this one. I'm sure we all learned that in school. So first, x minus 1, the square root of x minus 1 times the square root of x minus 1 is just x minus 1. Then we get square root of x minus 1 times 2, which is just plus 2 times the square root of x minus 1. Then we get again the same here, 2 times the square root of x minus 1. And finally, we get 2 times 2, which is 4, if I recall correctly. And all this is equal to 2x plus 2. We're going to group like terms. So we're going to have x minus 1 here equals 4. I'm sorry, not equal. Plus, these two terms are the same, so we just add them up. And here's a 4 and a minus 1. So that should make a 3. So it's x plus 3 plus 4 times the square root of x minus 1. And all this is equal to 2x plus 2. Pretty easy, right? Now, all we need to do is literally change the variable so that we get all the x's in one side and all the square terms, I mean the square root terms in one side. So we would just go minus x minus 3 minus x minus 3, and we'll get 4 square root of x minus 1 is equal to, this goes with this goes with this, x minus 1. Easy peasy. Now, what is that we do? We just add them up. I mean, square them up, sorry. Square here, square here. So we're going to get here x squared minus 2x plus 1. And here we're going to get 16 plus times the square root of, no more square root because he went with this. We would just get x minus 1. And here this is a bit extra. There you go. And now we have a very, very nice quadratic equation that we can just solve. So let's go and see if we get the right answer. So it will be 16x minus 16. Then we're going to pass everything to the left-hand side. Minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. So we get minus x squared, 16x plus this plus 18x, and then we get minus 17. And that's a easy part. We now need to find two numbers that multiply minus 17. But this, of course, you can make it equal to 0. And for simplicity's sake, we're just going to multiply everything times minus 1 times minus 1. So we get everything positive. Oh, let's make it here. We're going to get x squared minus 18x plus 17. Perfect. Two numbers that multiply plus 17 equal to 0. Two numbers that multiply plus 17 and add up to minus 18. That's super easy. That would be x minus 1 times x minus 17 equals 0. So the answer would be x equals 1 or x equals 17. That's it. I hope you like it.